Hi queens, what's up? Mandeep here. Welcome back to my channel. For today we are going to do an office look because I am going to the office, so I thought why not, let's make a video out of it. So let's get started. First I'm using a sunblock because it's a must when you're going outside, especially in the sun. So you guys can use any sunblock that suits you. Natural. We are going to keep this look very natural and glowy. So for primer, I'm using the Smashbox primer. I'm gonna take 2 pumps. So I'm taking a Fit Me foundation with the MAC Stroke Cream because we need glow. Any which ways we are going to wear a mask, so I'm going to focus on the eye area more. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using the palette from L'Oreal and I'm taking this shade and this shade mixing together. Okay, so I'm taking this shade right here. So I'm taking the concealer and conceal right here and right here. Just this area. So I'm taking this shimmer right here and little bit inner corners here, right here. Time for eyebrows now. So of course we're not going to use the lashes for sure, so I'm using mascara. Let's move on to the blush. So I'm using this blush from Primark. So next I'm using this cream highlighter from Victoria's Secret. Let's blend this one as well. So for lips, I'm using this lip stain from Sephora in number 13. So I'm going over with this lip liner. So I'm done, you guys. I hope you all like it. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye queens.